What's up, everyone? I want to take you along with me to the North Carolina Pecan Music Festival here in Whiteville, North Carolina. We arrived at 9 a.m. and we did not play until 12, but wanted to get there early. This is my buddy Tommy Harmon, again with the Jeffrey Simmons Band. We decided to walk around a little bit and check out the car show. A lot of nice older classic cars there. And we got to meet this really cool bird as well.
How long does it take him to learn a word?
Sometimes he just comes out of nowhere with it.
Matt?
No, not Charlie.
Matt? Matt?
Look at Charlie.
Matt?
Charlie.
Dang. Matt? Oh, heck no.
He's not there.
At this point, it was still early, around 9:30 in the morning, so there wasn't really a lot of people there yet. But closer to lunchtime, before we took the stage, this place got packed out.
What's happening, my friend? All right, y'all see something you like? I had to come back and check it out.
Good morning,
This is our
everyone.
friend Madison Ward, who made this festival
Welcome
possible.
to the 2025 North Carolina Pecan Music Festival. Thank you all for coming and joining us today.
And now for the fun part. We got all of our equipment set up and ready so we could swap places on the stage fairly quick. We only had like 15 minutes to get set up, and this was a lot closer than the Yam Festival last time. Here's a little closer view of my buddy Tommy Harmon killing it with the Jeffrey Simmons Band. Right here, it's getting close to time for us to take the stage, so we're just getting everything situated right next to the ramp. Now, finally on stage, I've got this rug that I use where I've mapped out all of my stands and drums with tape, so it makes setting up a breeze. Now for sound check.
We are Crenshaw Trucking Band. We're from right here in Whiteville, y'all.
Ready?
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord.
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous at this show. We've been waiting a long time to finally play this festival, and it just meant a lot to us. And I can always tell if I'm a little nervous because I'm not able to twirl my stick as fluid in my left hand.
We're about to play a little bit of Pearl Jam.
So after a few songs in, I realized my bass drum started creeping away from me, and it was where I didn't put the spikes out on the bass drum legs or on the bass drum pedal. So I had to make some adjustments, as you see here.
That's old Matt Dudley on the drums back there.
Hey, I gotta fix something real quick. Technical difficulties. Right here, Jason did a really good job of buying us some time.
On the right. Go check him out. I'm going to introduce you right quick while he's fixing something. On the far left, y'all, from right here in Whiteville, North Carolina, on the bass guitar, Austin McPherson. Right here to my left, on the acoustic guitar, Scott Floyd. He's from Whiteville, North Carolina. And my name is Jason Smith. I am from Whiteville, North Carolina. And back on the drums, he's got a drum academy right down here, straight out of Lake Waccamaw, North Carolina, Mr. Matt Dudley. Ready?
Yep.
Smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul wings feel the fly into the mystery.
As you can tell here, I'm starting to loosen up a little bit
I see
now.
you, big boy. I see you. There's a beast walking right to the stage, y'all. A beast.
This song was a lot of fun for me, and I use my fingers to play ghost notes while I'm doing a cross stick.
It's been a good time. It's been a great addition for Downtown Whiteville, and we love playing down there. So our first original song, we actually wrote a song about the alley called The Alley Takes Me Home.
This show was so important to us to be able to debut our new single, The Alley Takes Me Home. We all love where we live and where we're from, and it's just important to us to be able to share that with everyone. You can listen to The Alley Takes Me Home by Crenshaw Trucking Band on all music streaming services.
On the count of three, everybody say home. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you, Whiteville, North Carolina. We are Crenshaw Trucking Band.
And just like that, it was over. But we had such a blast on that stage.
Hey, stop blocking everything. Are we live right now? Oh. One more.
Got our CTV shirts on.
That's right.
Yep. Y'all doing all right? What's up, boy?
You recording me?
Say something.
What's up, guys?
What's up, dudes? They said, what's up, dudes?
So am I going on your YouTube?
Yeah. You want to be on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Tell them your YouTube channel.
No.
Come on.
My YouTube channel is Xman8888. 4 A's.
Check it out.
Happy after Halloween.
Pepsi Cola, the official drink of Crenshaw Trucking Band.
Once we got all packed up, we were able to get out into the crowd, go talk with people, find food, and listen to the last band, Painted Man, which were really great. We had such a great experience at the Pecan Music Festival in downtown Whiteville, and it felt great for us to be able to share music that we created about our little spot of heaven in downtown Whiteville. And we appreciate you guys, appreciate everyone for taking the time to come out and listen. And if you get a chance, go to Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere you listen to music, and check out The Alley Takes Me Home by Crenshaw Trucking Band. And until next time, I'll see you later.